Hey guys, this is Chris Safety Liner C2. So, I just did a video reviewing this Bluebird SBCV, and someone just pointed out in the comments that this bus sounds like a VT365. It definitely does sound like one. So, I'll do another startup for you guys, but whoever made this mod might have made a small error, saying that they listed it as a DT466E. So, I might have said that too, but I was just only going by what the file said. But it definitely does sound like a VT365, which anyway, so I was thinking that they might have made a small error with the mod, because it most definitely might be a VT365, but in case if you guys are wondering what that kind of engine is, it's the same motor that Ford calls the 6.0 Power Stroke, made by International, put in a Ford. But I'll get you guys another startup of it again, just so if you guys need to review that, post it in the comments. Yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the last video. They might have made a small error listing it as a DT466E, but I'm thinking that it might be a VT365 because it definitely sounded like one. That might be what's in this thing, but what do you guys think of it below? Just post it in the comments, and I'll make sure I get you guys the real information, because I can find out whoever made this mod on if they might have made an error, what this engine really is. But I know they say it's a DT466E, but I'm going to say that it's a VT365, because it does sound like one, for sure. That might be what this is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. Someone just...